My ideal type, someone tall, funny.
I'm the fucking man.
What are you waiting for? Call my number now.
Sporty.
Nandito lang ako. How I wish.
As in like sporty, competitive, respeto.
Sino-sino pang tinatawagan mo, nandito lang at kung saan-saan ka hanap, nandito lang naman ako. Kung sino
Lean, not too bulky.
naman ako. At kung saan
Kay Lex matangos yung ilong.
nandito lang naman ako. Ako na lang.
Someone who's smart, not just academic, but EQ din.
Mental health is really